After 23 years of research and development and pioneering innovation, ITM Power is offering the most advanced PEM electrolyzer technology in the market today, and now we are becoming a high-volume quality manufacturer. We have implemented new processes across the business, each of which is a substantial improvement and a step closer to achieving our automated manufacturing ambitions. Some of these processes include a customized press capable of operation at 20 tons of pressure with a micron level of accuracy, precision laser scanning, allowing us to inspect every electrode structure, a resistance welding machine developed in-house to assemble stack components with highest precision, automated catalyst ink mixing, producing consistent pastes for our catalyst-coated membranes, applied via state-of-the-art screen printing technology. Project sizes continue to scale. ITM is responding with a new product release. Meet Poseidon. Incorporating our learnings from commercial projects, Poseidon is our new cutting-edge 20-megawatt core electrolysis process module. It is based on our state-of-the-art Trident stack platform and consists of skid-mounted units which can be prefabricated and pre-tested. Poseidon enables efficient integration of the core electrolysis process into the balance of plant. This leads to shorter deployment times and lower project costs. Poseidon is set to turn the tide on electrolyzer deployment as we dive headfirst into the race to net zero.